Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with my everyday go-to makeup look. I've been wearing this makeup look from a while now and I really wanted to share this look with you guys. I had no idea when I was going to film, but thanks to Sharmishta Ghosh, she requested me for an everyday glamorous makeup look which she can wear it anywhere and everywhere. So I've been wearing this makeup look for movie, for lunch, for dinner, for shopping, wherever I'm going, and I really wanted to share this with you guys, and I think this is a perfect summer makeup look. So here it is. I hope you guys will surely enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give me a like and even subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, so do check it out. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Starting off with the primer first, I'm going with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. And I'm going to apply this on the T-zone area and blend it out with my fingers. And now for the foundation, I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Twin-1 foundation. And I'm in the shade Warm Beige. And I'll be using this with a beauty blender and dab it all over my face. Now honestly, I've been using this foundation ever since I got it and I can say I am obsessed because this is such a perfect foundation for summers. This is a long wear foundation, medium to full coverage, and even this is sweat proof and all those good things. So I think just because I use this foundation for this summer and I've been loving it, I thought of telling you guys, and even I have done a full review on this. So if you want to check out, just go in my description box. You'll get all the videos, and even there is in this eye. So yeah, I've been using this foundation and I just wanted to speak about this again and again because I am really obsessed and I think I highly recommend this for you guys. So yeah, now let's move on to the concealer. And now for my concealer, I'll be going with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I think this is one of the best concealer I've been using. I think I really like Maybelline concealers and this is one of them. So yeah, I'm just going to go with this a bit just underneath my eyes and I'm just going to cover some blemishes with this. And now again, I'm going to blend this out. If you want a detailed review on this product, please let me know. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. And now to set my face, I'm going with this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. And I'm going to dust this all over my face. And now I'm going to fill in my brows with this LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit. And I'll be going with this light brown shade. And I'm just going to carve out the brows first and then fill it in. So guys, I'm done filling in my brows. I have an in-depth tutorial. If you wish to check out, it's just here in this eye. You can watch that video whenever you want. And now I'm going to move on to my bronzer. I don't heavily contour my face when I'm going out, but I really like going with a bronzer because otherwise my face looks really flat like this and I really like adding some dimension. So for that, I'm going with a bronzer now. And for the bronzer, I'll be going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the hollows of my cheeks, on the forehead and lightly on the nose. And whatever is there left in my brush, I'll be going with this on the jawline. And now I'll be moving on to my eyes and I'll be using the same shade on my crease area. And I have little foundation on my lids and I'll be going with this on the crease area and blend it out in the back and forward motion. And now from Maybelline Nudes palette, I'll be going with this rose gold shade right here. If you want, you can go for any brown, light brown or a shimmer, whatever you prefer, you can surely go with it. But I prefer going with rose gold. I am obsessed with it, so I'm going with this. And I think rose gold is a very gorgeous shade and I prefer going with this with all my looks, so I'm going to do the same right here. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. And now again I'm going to take the same bronzer and blend the edges out so there are no harsh lines. And now for tide lining and waterlining, as usual I'll be going with my Ride or Die Kajal, and this is the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And I prefer going with a thick liner on the lower lash line, so this is kind of my signature and I'm going to do that as well for this look. And now for the wing liner, I'll be going with this Colossal liner. Now to finish off my eyes, I'll be going with this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So finally done with my eyes. This is what I pretty much do for my eye makeup, like whenever I'm going out. And now I'll be moving on to my blusher. And now for my blusher, I'll be going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'll be going with this shade from the same palette. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I always apply my highlighter. And even I'm going with this on the eyebrow bone. And now for my lipstick, I'll be going with the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Fan. So guys, this was the makeup look. I hope all of you enjoyed. This is what I've been doing quite a lot these days and I am obsessed with my lip shade. And yeah, this is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much, Sharmishta, for this request. Otherwise, I don't know when I would have uploaded this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone enjoyed. And I really hope this is an easy makeup look and you can surely recreate, because there is nothing to do with this makeup look. It just takes me 15-20 minutes just because I'm filming. It took me a little long, but yeah, this is my go-to makeup look and that's it for this video. I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And even follow me on my social media handles. Everything is just right here above, so you can just go and check out my social media. I'm highly active there. You can say a hi and we can start chatting, we can start talking. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.